Well, I think social media had a bigger role in it than the opioid crisis. But having said that, yeah, you've had a long-running public health crisis in the U.S. that's been going on for 3 decades now. Nobody knows exactly how many people it's killed, but the estimates now are kind of approaching 750,000 people dying of addiction and overdose. And part of the challenge there, right, is that there's a kind of long tradition in the United States of talking about illegal drugs coming up from Mexico, thinking of sort of ourselves as this kind of this pure country that is invaded by bad forces from without, right? So it's that this is Trump's rhetoric, is that the Mexicans are sending illegal drugs into the U.S. It's much more challenging when you're talking about a doctor prescribed FDA approved drug sold by big pharma and this venerable family. And so I do think that there is a sense in which the knowledge that we had this public health crisis that killed all these people and that it came from a pill that was absolutely signed off on by the highest authorities in Washington that generated billions of dollars for this family. I think when you look at vaccine skepticism, for instance, which may soon be the official policy of the Trump administration if he appoints RFK Jr. as the head of HHS. I think vaccine skepticism for a lot of people is something that is influenced by the opioid crisis, the knowledge that there were these drugs that they told us were safe that weren't.